Now, how to get started? Okay, how to get started? This is very important. So please do watch attentively, okay, because this is hands-on processes. So if you already have Binance account, you can actually start to actually download these robots. Okay, you can actually do that now if you want to follow through. If you don't want, don't worry about it. Okay, later on you can do it once I actually share with you the video. So now there is only two simple process here. The first process is to focus on your Royal Q robot. So you need to actually register an account. Okay, sign up an account with Royal Q, and then after you need to deposit or recharge. Now we have two types of device. Okay, one is the Android, one is the Apple, right? So in Android it's called deposit, in Apple it's called recharge. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm trying to use both terminology here. And once you have deposited, deposit what? Deposit $120, okay, into the robot. And the robot will take $100 as a subscription fees, and the remaining $20 will remain there for your trading fuel. And the third thing is that once you have done that, you need to activate, okay, activate the robot. And once you have activated, you can then do the API binding with Binance. Now, this is the first process. So the first process involves 4 steps, okay? I want you to understand that. Now, the second process here is basically the trading order placement. Now you can actually hands-on. You can start to trade already. All right. So that's the second portion of it, which we will cover once we completed on the robot itself. Okay. So let's go through the robot first, the first stage, okay, or the first process. And I'm going to run through with you the 4 steps. Okay. The 4 steps in detail. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is to actually set up the robot. So how do you do that? Very simple. All that you need to do is get to your App Store or Play Store. Okay, in an App Store, you can see the icon here. Okay, you will see a Royal Q icon. In App Store, in Play Store, you just have to key in Royal Q and search for that app. Now, if you are using an Apple product, okay, an Apple product, please make sure.
I will cook my own food today.
Yeah, just keep yourself muted. Just keep yourself muted. Sorry, just keep yourself muted. Thank you. Now, if you are using an Apple Mac, an Apple product, it will be Royal Q Community. All right. So you search for Royal Q Community. If you are using Android-based product, you use Royal Q. Okay. So you can search now. Okay. Search now, and you can install this app in your devices. Now, you can install in any devices. Okay. You can install in any devices, as many devices. But at this moment, just do on your main device first. Okay. Because later on, you can actually sign up under your own device, any other devices you have in your home. All right. Now, once you have uploaded it, next thing is what you're going to do. You will see a sign up at the bottom. You have to click the sign up. All right, tap the sign up. So once you have tapped the sign up, it will ask you to enter the email. So make sure you enter your valid email. Okay, I would always advise you to use Gmail. Okay, because Gmail has the best communications and so on. And thereafter, what you need to do is click the send. Can you see a scan button here? Click the scan, and you will then receive a verification code in your email. Okay, your registered email, and please copy that verification code and enter it here. Okay, enter it here where you see a column there. And thereafter, please key in your login password and re-enter your login password. And now you need the invitation code. Can you see that? The invitation code is those who have invited you tonight. So if you don't have the invitation code, please refer to the person who have invited you tonight. Okay. If you have received the invitation from me, then you can check with me later on. Okay. Don't send me message now because I'm presenting. Okay. So you can get the invitation code later on. If you are invited by someone else, please, okay, do get from them the invitation code. Now, once you have keyed in the invitation code, next will be, please click, okay, this column. I have carefully read the service agreement and the user privacy policy. Make sure you click that, and thereafter you can tap on the register button, and you have officially registered your account. That's how simple is that. Okay, that's the simplest way for you to do it and teach everybody to do it. Okay, so once you have registered your first device and you want to register your friends and other device, you can do so using your invitation code.